We're here at Pembina. Ayan, wala pang ibang tao. Kami lang. Kasi maaga pa, 8:30 pa lang. Maghanap tayo ng spot. Baba. Ayan.
Saan yung ano? Tingnan natin. Saan tayo dadaan papunta doon?
Malinis? Pembina. Ang lamig. Malamig ngayon ah.
Umaga to.
Oh, umaga pa. Hindi, nakita ko sa weather parang makulimlim. Yan, saya mag-vlog.
Lipat ka ng mesa tayo.
Dito, daddy? Mga bata, lipat tayo.
We're in the pool and Daddy's in the top of the cookie. I see the fire there. Look at the back, Bachag.
Oh, what daddy's cooking?
Something yummy, tasty for me.
How about barbecue, I think?
Yes. Look, we're going to swim first and we're going to wait for the warning. It will bite me.
No. Here's the water. Wee.
I'm going to bat you, Mom.
Be careful.
The water.
Oh, the water.
Look at that, the picture. You come with me.
Okay.
Wow.
You hold the water.
Wait! Wait!
Lakas na po yun. Bituka! Bituka! Hi! Nabero.
Bituka!
Nabero
ba?
Nabero. Yummy?
Yeah.
Barbecue.
Oh. Nakasi. Ang puti.
Kung putay ito na to.
Ella, hindi lang yan. Naantay mo lang umalis Kuya Exil mo.
Sala, sunduin natin sila, Macy. Saan ba sila? Lapit lang pala tayo. Dito lang pala tayo. Sa Paklo. Puwet mo ay nakakasilaw. Saiden! Saiden, how are you? Wow, parang sa inyo to ah.
Today we're going to drive in the wheel car in the playground. So Siden's in my back and here's the picnic and everybody's here. But is still cooking something yummy. And we're going out the pier because we're going in the top of the playground. Siren, come with me.
Hi Macy. Hi Saiden.
Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm making mountain
Where's Lexi?
on the tenting. Sleeping.
Sleeping?
Yeah. Kaya! Boo boo. Super. Boo boo boo. Then go here slide. No. You first. It's not scary. With your apple. That's so fun. Yes, it's so fun. See? Whee! Then let's do
Okay, handa na ang ating barbecue. Barbecue. Oh, may umupak na. Oh, meron na tayong bituka pa. Meron pa tayong nakahubad. Hi, Saiden. Hi, Leklek. Hi, Macy, Big Tommy.